Alright guys, here one of my mechanical inspection with my guy Leo. Caria.
Morning, Sean.
Yes sir, yes sir.
How you doing?
Good, good. So what we got here, Leo?
Okay, we got the duct work coming from loading dock,
Okay.
ventilation and exhaust.
Okay.
That's all on the second floor, coming from the first floor.
All right. So this here is supplying the first floor.
Yes.
Okay.
Downstairs we got the exhaust fans and all the stuff.
Okay.
related.
So how about this here? You gonna blank off this louver here?
We're gonna blanket up this one and
Okay.
that one over there.
All right. Pretty sturdy job.
I'm thinking alrededor de 20 capaz.